G'day, welcome to Campr. On today's show, a chance to win some new boots with the Ariat prize pack, a look at the up-and-coming ARB Moreton Island Fishing Classic, and speaking of beautiful beaches, let's head for Whitehaven. If there's one beach that you definitely want to drop the pick at when visiting the Whitsundays, this would have to be the one. Regularly voted one of the top 10 best beaches in the world, Whitehaven Beach. Whitehaven Beach is spectacular. 7 kilometres of the whitest sand you've ever seen, and that's because of its high silica content. Enough, they say, to polish your jewellery, but I can think of better things to be doing while I'm on Whitehaven Beach than chores. Whitehaven draws visitors daily from all over the world who use it in any number of ways. All of them should be found on a postcard. And while plenty come to soak up the sun and just lounge around, there are lots of them that come here too to compete against themselves and other athletes in a gruelling swim event. Nearby Hamilton Island runs the famous Whitehaven Beach Swim, which sees athletes come from all over to compete in paradise.
It's great to come to Hamilton Island events. You know, it's one of the most beautiful parts of this country. I get to race off Whitehaven Beach. That's pretty special. Not many people get to do that. And you know, the weather's always pretty good.
I guess if you were going to swim 2 kilometres in open water, I reckon here would be as good a place to do it as any. But if you own a boat, especially a sailboat, well, I would imagine after watching all of this, you are, pardon the pun, absolutely tonguing to get here. Whitehaven Beach is east of Hamilton Island in the Whitsunday Island group on the Great Barrier Reef in North Queensland. You can get here from Hamilton Island most days. The Whitehaven Beach Swim and Hamilton Island Race Week are on again soon, and you'll find all the details on the Hamilton Island website. One of the best weekends on the fishing calendar is fast approaching. The ARB Moreton Island Fishing Classic is an island-based fishing comp that's grown in leaps and bounds in a very few short years. ARB and Moreton Island Adventures came up with the concept a few years ago, which now sees any beach fisherman worth his salt heading across the bay around the first week of spring, a time of year when most surf species are definitely on the chew. With $65,000 in prizes and over 400 competitors, that's what makes this event so much fun. It's also kid-friendly, with groups and families coming for the weekend, setting up camp and enjoying some fun in the Moreton Island sun. The major prize for each nominated species is $1,000 and includes flathead, whiting, brim, tailor, dart and mulloway dew. There are prizes for second and third in each division, as well as a division for kids under the age of 14. Moreton offers spectacular scenery, stunning beaches and really good fishing when it's on. So head online for all the details. Go to the ARB Moreton Island Fishing Classic, Here you'll get all the information on how to book the MyCap and what to do next about registration and campsite and other accommodation information. Moreton is, of course, one of the largest sand islands in the world and is suitable for four-wheel drives only. If you own a 4B and need some advice or additional kit to get you set up for the Classic, then head to your local ARB store. Oh, and by the way, the Campr team will be there filming the Classic this year, so we look forward to seeing you there from the 29th of August to the 2nd of September. OK, Campaholics, here comes another opportunity to win big. We've teamed up with Ariat Australia to give away this Ariat prize pack valued at $450. Ariat was founded on technology and innovation with the goal of making the highest quality footwear and apparel for the world's top equestrian athletes. The boots, bags and cap will have you styling and prove to one and all that this is not your first rodeo. Follow the link to enter the competition. To increase the number of entries, just follow the prompts. The more entries you have, the more chance of winning, and you've got to be in it to win it. Register now and good luck.